Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to fix not found 404 error in Wix. This is a crucial skill for maintaining a professional website, as 404 errors can frustrate visitors and hurt your site's credibility. If they want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right in and get those pesky errors sorted out. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. From here, look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. This is where you'll access all the core settings and configurations for your website, giving you control over how your site behaves and appears to visitors. After clicking on Site and Mobile App, you'll be directed to your website overview page. This page displays various settings and options related to your website's structure and functionality. Now, from the expanded menu on the left navigation, locate and click on SEO and GEO. This section is essential for managing how search engines interact with your site and how you handle different URL scenarios. Once you're on the SEO and GEO page, scroll down through the options until you find the URL Redirect Manager. This is the tool that will help you fix those 404 errors by redirecting broken or missing pages to working ones. Go ahead and click on URL Redirect Manager to open it. This feature is incredibly useful because it allows you to catch visitors who land on broken links and guide them to relevant content instead of showing them an error page. Now you're ready to set up a redirect for when a 404 error occurs on a page. To create a new redirect, click on the plus New Redirect button located on the top right part of your screen. This will open an Add Redirect window where you can configure where you want broken URLs to point to. This step ensures that even if someone follows an old or incorrect link, they'll still land somewhere useful on your site. In the Add Redirect window, simply enter the old URL. This is the broken or outdated link that's causing the 404 error. Then, under the New URL field, enter the destination where you wish to redirect visitors. This could be your homepage, a relevant category page, or any other active page on your site. Once you've entered both URLs, click on Save to confirm your redirect. Your redirect is now active, and anyone who tries to access that old URL will automatically be sent to the new location instead. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the 404 error by setting up a URL redirect in Wix. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.